Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about the transformative power of beauty essentials and habits when it comes to boosting your confidence. First and foremost, taking care of your skin is crucial. A good skincare routine not only improves the health of your skin but also boosts your confidence levels. Remember to cleanse, tone, and moisturize daily to keep your skin looking radiant and flawless. Next, don't underestimate the power of a bold lipstick. A pop of color on your lips can instantly elevate your look and make you feel ready to conquer the world. Find a shade that makes you feel confident and empowered, and rock it with pride. Lastly, cultivating positive habits like practicing daily affirmations can work wonders for your self-esteem. Take a few moments each day to look in the mirror and affirm your worth, beauty, and strength. You'll be amazed at how this simple practice can transform your confidence from the inside out. Remember, beauty is not just a
Hey there beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about unlocking confidence through beauty sleep and taking a mindful approach to self-care. First and foremost, getting enough quality sleep is crucial for our overall well-being. When we prioritize rest, our mental clarity improves, and we feel more energized and ready to tackle the day ahead. Not only does this make us feel better physically, but it also boosts our confidence from within. Secondly, incorporating a mindful bedtime routine can make a huge difference in how we feel about ourselves. Taking the time to care for our skin, relax our minds, and unwind from the day can help us feel more grounded and present in our own bodies. This practice of self-care can truly transform our confidence levels and how we show up in the world. Remember beauties, beauty sleep isn't just about looking good on the outside, but feeling good on the inside too. Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to talk to you about 5 mindset breaks that you need for a successful glow-up plan. First off, let go of comparison. Your journey is unique, and comparing yourself to others will only hold you back. Focus on your progress and growth instead. Next, embrace positivity. Surround yourself with positive energy and affirmations. Believe in yourself and your abilities to achieve your goals. Remember to practice gratitude. Gratitude helps shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. Celebrate your wins, big or small, and be thankful for all the blessings in your life. Lastly, don't be afraid to fail. Failure is a part of the journey towards success. Embrace it, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Uplift yourself with these mindset breaks, and watch yourself glow up like never before. You've got this. Dizzy.
Hey there, beautiful. Are you looking to up your makeup game and achieve better growth in your skills? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll be sharing some common makeup mistakes to avoid for a flawless look every time. First things first, blending is key. One common mistake is not blending your makeup properly, which can result in harsh lines and an uneven finish. Make sure to blend your foundation, eyeshadow, and blush seamlessly for a flawless complexion. Next up, choosing the right shade is crucial. Many people tend to pick a foundation or lipstick shade that doesn't match their skin tone, leading to a less than ideal look. Take the time to find the perfect shade that complements your undertones for a natural finish. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to makeup. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new techniques to improve your skills. With time and patience, you'll see growth in your makeup game that will have you feeling confident and beautiful every day. So go ahead, embrace your inner artist and avoid these common makeup mistakes for better growth in your beauty routine. You've got this, gorgeous. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you some essential tips to boost your self-esteem with the power of double cleansing. First things first, start off your skincare routine with a cleansing oil to remove all traces of makeup, sunscreen, and impurities from your skin. This step not only helps to prevent breakouts and dullness but also sets the perfect base for the next step. Next, follow up with a water-based cleanser to deeply cleanse your pores and get rid of any remaining dirt or residue. This double cleansing method ensures that your skin is thoroughly clean, allowing your other skincare products to work more effectively. Remember, taking care of your skin is an act of self-love, so don't forget to pamper yourself every day. By incorporating these double cleansing essentials into your routine, you'll not only see an improvement in your skin but also boost your self-esteem from the inside out. So go ahead, treat yourself to a little extra TLC and watch your confidence soar. Take care, beauties.